The emergence of phygital mode of shopping, that is, a blend of physical and digital experiences, has indeed become a notable trend in consumer behavior. There is a significant diversity in shopping preferences and access to technology. This trend is particularly pronounced. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. 7 years ago, there were several brands with internet only or internet first. But to become large, they needed to go omni-channel. India's D2C market have grown exponentially in the last few years, driven by 200 million odd digital shoppers in the country. Despite the convenience of online shopping, many consumers still value the tactile experience of physically inspecting products. Driven by internet penetration and seamless digital payment infrastructure, the Indian e-commerce market size, which is already over $100 billion, could go up by over 3 times in the next 5 years, according to industry experts. Direct to consumer, that is D2C brands, were all the rage for a while, capitalizing on the online shopping boom. But things are shifting towards a more balanced approach. A physical store creates a more immersive and engaging brand experience than a website. This can be especially important for brands that sell experiential products like cosmetics or clothing. D2C brands are recognizing the value of omnichannel retail, which integrates online and offline channels to create a seamless customer experience. While e-commerce has seen rapid growth in India, there are still segments of the population with limited internet access or familiarity with online shopping platforms. For these consumers, traditional brick and mortar stores remain the primary avenue for making purchases. Many retailers have recognized the importance of integrating their online and offline channels to provide a seamless shopping experience. This includes services like Click and Collect, where customers can order online and pick up their purchases at a physical store. The successful adoption of a digital approach by Indian consumers underscores the importance of offering flexibility and choice in how people shop. Retailers that can effectively bridge the gap between offline and online channels are likely to thrive in this evolving landscape. Let's look into today's headlines. Google Cloud and Airtel collaborate to advance AI solutions in India. In order to promote cloud adoption and provide cutting edge, market leading AI ML solutions, Airtel and Google Cloud teamed to implement AI solutions in India. Cloud managed services would be made available to Airtel's major enterprise and emerging company customers. The alliance is aimed at the expanding Indian market for public cloud services, which is projected to increase to $17.8 billion, that is rupees 14 lakh crore by 2027. OpenAI offers GPT-4o, a faster model available to all users at no cost. GPT-4o, a faster and more sophisticated AI model, is made available to all users by OpenAI for free. This momentous unveiling coincides with the imminent Gemini release from Google. With its voice, text, and image capabilities, ChatGPT 4o demonstrates OpenAI's commitment to innovation. Even though it is providing this effective technology for free, the firm intends to make money through content partnerships and paid services. The Government of India intends to construct a single portal for all digital public goods. A single portal will be launched by the Indian government to list all of its digital public goods, that is DPGs, on one platform. The goal of this project is to give businesses and citizens alike seamless access to vital services and apps, including the Open Network for Digital Commerce, that is ONDC, the Unified Payments Interface, that is UPI, and Aadhaar, among others. Ola to cease use of Microsoft Azure. Bhavish Agarwal, the founder of Ola, has announced that Ola will switch from using Azure, the cloud computing platform, to Krutrim AI's cloud in the midst of his continuing battle with Microsoft-owned LinkedIn. The news is made just 1 week after Krutrim declared that businesses, researchers, and developers will be able to use its cloud platform. Additionally, Bhavish Agarwal declared that he will collaborate with the Indian developer community to create a social media digital public infrastructure, that is DPI. Prasar Bharati to launch family-friendly OTT in August. Prasar Bharati is getting ready to introduce its own over-the-top platform in August. The primary goal of this platform is to present content that honors Indian civilization and culture and offer clean entertainment that is appropriate for family viewing. For the first year or two, the platform will provide free content in an effort to draw users. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.